Roger on sounding good. Good deal. Just a Galaxy 959 that just got done doing up. Put dual MOSFET finals in it, turbo echo board, and let it all up pretty there. 10-4. Roger. Good deal.
See you later, man. I'm headed home for a hot piece of ass and a cold beer.
I heard that, man. You have a great day. Call me Roadstar. Road that's on the ground starts in the sky.
Heard that. You got Nighthawk on this end.
Roger, Nighthawk. Have a great day. We'll see you.
Anyways, just getting ready to fire up the camera there. Doing an audio check there. But go ahead and show up the radio a little bit. Turn off the displays. Lights still stay lit up. Make it bright. Make it go back dim. As you see, the Shurdio's got all blue Nitro knobs and went with green switches, green light up switches. Also went with the pure green display with the pure green frequencies readouts along with the meter light. Replaced the talkback with the turbo echo board. It's got your clarifier adjustment. You can turn the clarifier for sideband. It's got your volume, your squelch, your mic gain, your RF gain, and your dimmer control. It's also got your variable dead key power. Explain that more in just a minute. So we're going to go ahead and take it up to watt meters and kind of show you a little bit about what this radio is doing right now. We'll go ahead and take it to the 20 watt scale. We'll go ahead and take the variable power all the way down on low. 2 watt dead key on low.
Audio check. Audio.
As you see, it pegs it out. We'll take it up to 200 watt scale. Where 1 is 10, 2 is 20, 3 is 30, 4 is 40, 5 is 50.
Hello, audio. Audio check. Hello.
See it doing right about 55, 60 watts. It sits right about the 55 mark. Variable dead key. We're going to go ahead and turn it all the way up on high. Take it back down 20 watt scale real quick. Set this one up about a 14 watt dead key.
Hello. Audio. Hello.
See, it'll peg it out. Again, it does the same amount of power, variable power all the way up as it does on high.
Hello. Audio.
Again, the radio will stay a lot cooler if you run your guys' variable power down. What I like to do is turn the variable power down. As you see, the meter sits usually right around 3, 4.
Audio.
You can turn it accordingly, but what I do is I like to leave it down. Gives it more swing, creates more audio. Okay?
Hello, audio.
Again, I ain't even running an external speaker. I'm using a radio speaker right at the moment. I'm going to take it to 19.
We'll say it's good here in about a half an hour.
Breaker 19 for radio check.
It's working.
Roger, hand, what's your 20?
Oh, I'm just passing. Well, shit. Into the monster.
Roger, when you need a mile sticker, 10-4.
I'm thinking.
It's amazing. If only there's a mile sticker every time somebody asks, right?
Yeah. I'm past 256 headed east. I've got a mile stick coming up here.
Roger, on the 256 heading east. That puts you 112, passing to 112.
114.
Roger, on the 114, good deal. I'm 2 miles north of 105 here off 70.
Not bad.
This thing sound good and loud?
Yep.
Roger, good deal. Well, I appreciate it there, Hank. Call me Roadstar. Road that's on the ground starts in the sky.
Brand new radio. We got the scratch resistant covers. Did you hear? Receive's got really good receive. As long as your antenna setups are good, guys, everything will be down. I set up just about all my 959s as far as power-wise, about the same, per request. So again, I light it up all in green for the switches. I can also do these up in blue. I got them also in red. So I got blue, red, green. I got black, light, violet. And that looks pretty neat when I did that up. If anybody you got any questions, I also sell stuff on eBay. 73s is from Roadstar Communications. Y'all have a great night. And we're back out. Pretty quiet all the way around the band tonight.